Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time brighter on iPhone full guide. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size to adjust color filters, brightness, and contrast. Use True Tone and Night Shift to balance warm tones, and enable Reduce White Point to soften intense whites. Test changes in Photos and Clock apps to confirm time display looks brighter and readable in different lighting conditions. Start by trying color filters under Accessibility to find a filter that makes numbers and text pop on your screen. Adjust the intensity slider gently and switch between filter types to compare results. Combine filters with increased contrast and reduce white point for a clearer time display, and always preview on your home screen and lock screen to ensure the setting helps across apps and lighting conditions. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It really helps me keep making clear, practical walkthroughs you can trust. Quick recommendation: the book I showed, The Simple Path to Wealth, can change how you think about money and habits. Check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate every view and comment. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Combine increased contrast and bold text to make clock numbers and labels easier to read at a glance. Adjust text size or enable display zoom where available to scale interface elements without changing app layouts drastically. Test the lock screen and control center after each tweak to ensure consistency, and remember that a small combination of settings often beats one extreme change for comfort and battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.